Value at risk. What do you mean by value at risk? It is a measure of risk of investment. So we have a thing what is the risk and how long is to reach that risk. It is estimate how much investment might lose to set period as one day in a normal market condition. So, sir, I have this asset value of 1 lakh rupees and I'm investing in some risky thing. So, my question is how long it will take every day what I'm risking for the period of time. I know I will gain it, but in that time, if I want to take some contingency, what may be the risk that I hold? That is value at risk. The component calculation is the VAR calculation for three components. What are the time period? What is the time? Confidential native, that is two types 95%, 99 percentage. Loss in percentage in amount. What might be the loss in amount? 2%, 1%. What is the percentage of loss? We calculate. If the three thing is there, we can find VAR. That is variable value at risk. Statistical method is standard deviation. That is, we put number of value, how much it is the difference deviation from the mean, from the deviation in the need, what is the standard deviation we can find. Time horizon, a different time horizon, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. So we can so that it can be probability. The maximum loss can be predicted. Risk control by setting up the limits for maximum loss. So by this VAR, we can say this is might be the maximum loss we can expect in this. This is the minimum loss we can expect from this. So this is the minimum loss, no, but maximum we can cover up to this. That is what the VAR actually says out.